Seobi doa onja sana kume mufita Seobi si opawa onja sana kume muboko wuto enti se wuto anti Mary wache no enkyere se wudi wache no enti we Muslim into wutumi ton wache nso a ye mfrɛ wo Mary nso wudi Mary.
Yeah, but amanfo bi so ye wache amunye.
That is it. Enti me pese wo hunu se obi tumi to gospel onyi Kristo ndiye but onim se nam ho eno di bedidi.
Okay.
What you say?
Okay.
Enti no on say in life obi ane kwan opese ofaso dididie. And as soon as a person of us would be young, I was talking to a group of young men. And I tell them, problem I hear was saying is everybody is working hard for time management until we are all desperate. Nobody is working for life management. And what use is time if you don't have life? And there was a gospel nankasano. You were Christian gospel, and you were secular gospel. Gospel simply means good news.
Okay.
And it's a nyami amba for hini. Now for tipre kuko fine chosha. Many anomobia and sumu dao. Ni nyami ayede. Ufi tipre kuyede. Sa machi de denet. This is a wise saying in the book of Proverbs, the chapter number 8.
So you ever say a gospel?
It is a good news. But Christian good news. And your friend of Christian gospel.
Yeah.
And to your cap gospel now, and my fan tra to send it to say Christo soon for dear.
But some kind Asia, we say maybe I'll say a friend of gospel.
It's a good news.
And I'll say a good news. But wow, some can say a free proverb.
What I'm coming is set by the secular understanding, no. Yana yadri ye so be too secular song. Not just on Christo. That is where I'm coming from. What you say? And no yenyanti ase na say near Moses so eke kan no ofri baby na eba. We are always too emotional.
Yeah,
you see, we are so emotional say BBC na ye pentem. Ajeji. But we are not rational. Until you say nipa no answer ye hunu say we na all pe akere. A rational community always supports after understanding. Emotional community destroys before realizing. Into Yensha say, a dien no genaso, a de kasa. Did he sound condemning or he was explaining? Okay, I listened to the interview. Okay, I say on person wariness.
Yeah.
He said all that is his personal view. Why do we want to force him to claim a general view when he has a personal view? On the munienti a okasa, me say ubusamia. I have something to say. Me pesameni nyumpa. U di Samini bahasisia mikutababro nsu mesa nyum. Are you getting what I'm saying? Obia wonepe and obia nso won your sum.
So you are saying so your kind of the personal view.
It is ya busa ono asem ya musa no generally ono no kana asem.
And so you do also understand if I say Christian gospel artist be a Christian.
You can present your view without saying is wrong.
No, I'm not saying he. Okay, I disagree. Because no, I'm actually there. So clearly, I'm actually there a Christian.
Oh.
Yeah. No, he's a Christian. I mean, for him to actually.
And I'm also on cancer. So
no, I mean, every gospel has the root from the Bible.
Yes.
Every gospel has the root from the Bible, but the presenter.
Message ni be my vessel.
Thank you. Sebi, we are live.
Yeah.
A brand new chamber pot. Having your favorite meal in it. Will you enjoy the meal?
Many man tell Hona say can
Once as me or say craba sebio muno na do favorite watch it and our favorite aduane guma obedi ana.
Oh, it depends. I mean, you go baby amedi.
Who shape no
shape no doesn't matter. It's me. So now can be you food.
It's a mind thing. Yeah. That's what it's a mind thing. Yeah. Can we stop having evil mind towards everything? Yeah. The slightest thing, then bam.
When you say asem na wo kan ye no, wo ka say we ni Samini nyum ho. Maybe sa first mpatwa ni nyum de wen.
He wa hwe obokuti wo.
Oh baby na drink.
Obo na fi. O tie ni
mpatwa Samini nyum ben. Oh.
Me na obu Samini.
Mpatwa.
O si ni nyum ben. Ye wo pe no.
Me pesa me hu nyum ben.
Say obi dowa. Oncha sana kuma mufita. Say obi see your power. Oncha sana kuma muboko. Sa. No, also who said it?
Hey. Oh yeah, then. Oh, bon se mama.
What about you?
The answer na me pesa wo tu nyum no say. Yemu bebre aye adwuma we san kwa sorry ni sometimes no because we are man of God some maybe say us question sometimes you caught to say na o tu me caught to be say aye because say we onye Christian and church ni now begins to look at you in a certain way ebia we anka we secular artist enti na bebre na to me kwa sorry because we secular artist wa bo enyum ebia ye use Samini as example said because we wa bo enyum bi but enye gospel or see sorry them hope na obi a pejana ni Unsam na aba sorry.
Oh.
She's playing the devil's advocate, so I understand.
Yeah, that's true.
Me bow. Sankati ni fonte na Yesu ba yanka ye mu bi ye mfata o. You met me when I was already born again. Na nka obetu me time me kon na nka Bruce Koshi. Eti aveno ameshi wo. Time I sniff cocaine and I was getting drunk all over the place. No, you wouldn't have given me the chance to be a believer. But Christo, ehono ene, ewo nanomo, edo me senia metie, eko soa dani do edi kire me, ko se edin Ibrahim no, ebeye Abraham. Enteno, enya say Christosum is all for the already saved. That is why we are now focusing on crusade, but not evangelism. Mr. Wada, oko asore be na because what secular attitude inti omo yiwe fi mu a pe asore fufuroko. The teaching, because Christo na nkasa no, he did not come for the righteous. Bonifu wanti, and no, but asore to say the OPD of the hospital. Asore should be like the outpatient department of the hospital. Na ne ye me bufu kura ne se ayare for me no ba ko de ye yef no na ba ko de ye ne nan na wo mo ku e wo hospital ho. That is what we have in the church now. Yet when you go to the mechanic shop, broken vehicles don't fight. They don't tell the mechanic which one to be fixed first. It is the mechanic who decides which one to fix. Nti ye nyina ya ba soro no ye nyina mfom so wo ye hu ye ntwen na chief mechanic no on see sometimes or to me two car be obribi no the CSC obi so buy to me more be born bra ye. If we will go about that way, we will not be judgmental but complimentary.
Before bomb mama but sa judgmental issue na wakanu na question be